familiar sight to anyone who lives in this area, and it's been tied up in the courts for years.
The Savannah River lock and dam may be coming down. Today, the U.S. District Court struck down the ruling that paused its demolition.
And all of this stems from a 2019 lawsuit focusing on the needs of the people and the river levels versus the fish and creatures that live in the river. Craig Allison has been combing through this filing, this latest court thing, and talking with city leaders to hear what happens next.
To see this go back to a lower court is really really disheartening.
It's a decision Commissioner Brandon Garrett, who's been fighting this issue for 5 years, says could see the river level be at the mercy of the rain.
Our river is affected once or twice a day by water that is let out of the lake above us. And so basically we have to make sure that we have enough water flowing, and the Army Corps really has never taken into account for all those water releases each day.
This all started with the Water Infrastructure Improvements for the Nation Act, or WIN Act, passed in 2016, allowing the Army Corps of Engineers to make changes to protect sturgeon spawning grounds. They say the lock and dam prevents sturgeon from moving through, and so they presented a plan in 2019 to remove the crumbling dam for a rock weir. But the tests were disastrous.
Should have the ability to maintain the pool and also provide the ability for the sturgeon to migrate upriver. I think the locks, of course, the current system is in place, allows that.
But this ruling isn't the end of the road.
Disappointing that it was not ruled in our favor. However, the fight continues. It's always been my contention that the city of Augusta, North Augusta, should be able to control the level in the Savannah River.
In Augusta, Craig Allison on your side.
So Augusta and North Augusta city leaders will meet within the next week with the stakeholders in those surrounding counties to decide on the next steps when it comes to a situation we've been watching for years. And this court ruling is the latest, but we expect to be watching it for a long time to come, Laura.